In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the pen tool in Inkscape to create precise vector shapes, from simple straight lines to complex flowing curves. The pen tool is arguably the most important feature in any vector software, and mastering it will take your graphic design projects to the entire next level. Whether you are tracing a logo or creating an illustration from scratch, this tool gives you the ultimate control over your paths. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Inkscape tips. Let's get started. First, we need to set everything up correctly. Open Inkscape and select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left, or simply press the B key on your keyboard. Once selected, look at the Tool Controls bar at the top of your screen. Ensure that the mode is set to Create Regular Bezier Path, which is the very first icon. Also, check the Shape drop-down menu and set it to None. This ensures your lines have a consistent stroke without any built-in thickness variations, which is best for beginners. Now let's learn how to draw straight lines. Click once on the canvas to place your first point, known as a node. As you move your mouse to the next location, you will see a red line previewing the segment. To place the second node, simply click again. To finish your path, press Enter or right-click. If you want to create a closed shape, like a triangle or square, just click back on the starting node. A great tip for precision is holding the Control key while moving your mouse. This snaps the line to 15-degree increments, allowing you to create perfectly horizontal or vertical lines every time. Next, let's move on to drawing curves. This is where most people struggle, but it is actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. Instead of just clicking, you need to click and hold to place a node. While still holding the mouse button, drag the cursor away. This pulls out Bezier handles, which determine the direction and the intensity of the curve. Move to your next point, click and drag again to continue the path. When you release the mouse, the curve segment is set. You can also edit your path as you are drawing it. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Press backspace to delete the last node you placed without canceling the entire path. If you need to switch styles on the fly, press Shift plus L to toggle the current segment between a curve and the straight line. Additionally, holding Alt allows you to move the current node you are placing without changing the handles you have already set. To make a shape that you can fill with color, you must close the path. Move your cursor to the very first node you created. It will turn red when you are hovering over it. Click on it to seal the shape. If you ever need to add on to an existing line, select the path with your pick tool. Switch back to the pen tool by pressing B and click on one of the square end nodes to continue drawing. Once you have created your basic skeleton with the pen tool, you can press N to switch to the node tool. This is how you fine-tune your curves and move nodes around to get the perfect shape. Remember, B is for pen, Enter or right-click is to finish, Escape is to cancel, and backspace is to undo your last point. Mastering these shortcuts will make your workflow incredibly fast and efficient. That's everything you need to know to get started with the pen tool in Inkscape. If this video helped you understand vector drawing a bit better, remember to hit that like and subscribe button for more creative tutorials. Thanks for watching.